I am going to show one indicator with you that provides you with the key reversals if you are going to use this indicator in a wise way. Okay, so this is the indicator that provides you with the levels and it tells you where from the possible entry can come, and I will explain that how you can catch the good reversals just by using this indicator. So, guys, if you want to book the lifetime version of my private indicators, then check the website or check the Telegram channel from the description of this video. And you can simply use my indicators. If you want to book the lifetime version of my indicators, then check through Telegram channel. Okay, so about this indicator, you need to write ERAS. So, when you write ERAS, then from this list, there is one indicator that is called Rezis swing points with ATR, and the name of the author is Era C. Okay, so this is the indicator that is very good if you can use it with a slight common sense. Okay, so when you attach this indicator, it will be on your screen like this. So you just need to uncheck the labels. And the now the second thing, if you just look at here, there are some lines on the chart, the red and the green one. Okay, so they are by default the late lines. Okay, so what my suggestion is, like, if you want to find something in the real time, then you can set up it to like 2 on the second candle. It will provide you the confirmation. Otherwise, if you are a bit expert, you can set up it on the first candle as well, if you set up this one from 2 to 1. Okay, now just listen very carefully about this indicator, that the usage is very good if you are going to use it in a right way. You need to understand that how the market operates. Works based on the liquidity. Now you can see this is the resistance for the trading market. Okay, so you are not going to sell on any resistance, and you are not going to buy on any sport area. So you need to understand this. Okay, so now how will you take your entry? It's very simple. Always wait for the break of the resistance, and once on this first candle, if your settings, and if in the settings you have set up it to 1. Okay, because we don't want to trade these all lines, we want to trade the specific lines that are as per our choice. Okay, now let's say if you have set up the, let's say this is 1, the pivot length left hand side and the right hand side both set up to 1. So now what will happen after the one candle? This level will come that it shows you, but you need to confirm that this level is coming after the break of the resistance, because the market has liquidated this resistance properly, and now you can go for the sell entry. Okay, now when you see the two levels here, do not do anything, because one more thing you need to understand, now there is also a support at this level. Okay, so we are not going to trade on sport. Okay, that's what I am teaching you right now. Okay, so ignore that one because this is already happened. Okay, now the things are coming here. Now you can see what happened. The market liquidated the sport area. So after the liquidation on the first candle, you got a pullback and there is a green level. Simply go for a buy trade. Okay, and the same way you can take your selling exactly from here or at the top as well. So no trade from the support and no trade from the resistance. Now you can open any chart and you will see that this indicator is working magically. You can see this is the resistance area for the market, and you can see it liquidated, then the red level came here and you have entered into the trade, and later on you have seen the downward move. So the market basically moves based on the liquidity. If there is no liquidity in the market, it means the market is not able to move. Just look at this is the support area, and I told you never to take a buy when the market is at the support. Wait for the liquidation. So now the market has liquidated, and this candle is very strong, so you can go for that one, and you can see this is another profitable trade. Now similarly, it doesn't mean what asset you are in. Okay, so it doesn't mean. Okay, now if the price is coming down, why? Just look at this one. This is the sport area, so the price is doing the liquidation right now. Okay, so another sport area is available here, so even I will not take the trade here. So what will be my recommendation? Once the price breaks that area as well, and then it takes the U-turn, then I will go for the trade. So this is the simplest technique that I have taught you, that take your trades after the liquidation, and then take the help from this indicator from the red and the green levels, because they will tell you that where the liquidation is right now. Yes, one more thing, if you just look at this area. Okay, just look at this. Why the price came down so far, so much? Look at this. If I make the line, this is completely down. Why? Because there was a support area lying here. You can see now. Just look at this part. Okay, the price made a wick, long wick, it liquidated everyone, and then see the boost from here. So this is what I am trying to teach you, because if you talk about right now, so our external liquidities are available at this part, the price can go in that way. So this is all about this indicator, and if you like this video, please press the like button. If you want to book the lifetime version of my private indicators, check the Telegram channel for more details.